Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing? In today's video, we're going to be stuffing my cash envelopes, which is a total of $200 a week. And this money comes from a portion of my spending money. And so I just wanted to put myself on a budget so I can get to financial freedom sooner, because I was reckless with my debit card. So if you want to follow my journey, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll be stuffing my Bella Taylor wallet that I won from Instagram. Yay! So I have already unstuffed from last week. And if you want to see what I spent my money on last week, go check out my video that I put up above, which is tracking my spending for the week of October the 15th through the 20th. And out of $200, I had $92 left. Yes, I've already taken it out. And what I'm going to do with this is, I saw some Adidas that I want, and I'm going to go purchase me a pair. So that's what I'm going to start doing with my spending money. I always roll it over to whatever sinking fund that I'm focused on at the moment. I'll still do that. But if it's something I want and I have enough money to get it for that week, I'll just go ahead and get it. And most people will be like, well, Miss V, why don't you just, if you want the shoe, you could have just swiped your debit card and got it. Yes, but I'm trying to teach myself discipline. So as I become wealthy, I'll still have these same habits. That way, I can keep my money, most of my money anyway. So yeah, I want to be disciplined. So that's why I'm doing it like this. Yeah, so we're going to put that over to the side and go pick up me some Adidas. My Adidas. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Anyway, let's get started. So, I put on the screen how much I put for each category. I have 6 categories that I stuff for, and that is household, personal, spending, Dollar Tree, eating out, and groceries. So yeah, so household, I got my cheat sheet over here. Let me find my little sheet of the denominations that I want to do for each, which it really doesn't matter, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So for household, I'm going to give myself 2 $5 bills. So we're gonna do that for household. Personal, we're gonna do 2 $5 bills also. Spending, I always give myself 10 $10 bills. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Somebody tell Brittany over it, the crafted budgeter, that Miss V picked up 10 $10 bills. So that's for spending. Dollar Tree, what did I say for Dollar Tree? I'm going to go ahead and do me 15 $1 bill for Dollar Tree. That's 15 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, I'm gonna do that this week for Dollar Tree. And then for restaurants, well, eating out is $15. So I'm gonna do a 10 and a 5. So we'll be doing that. So yeah. And the last category is groceries. We're gonna do $50. So I'm gonna do 2 20s and a 10. And we're gonna do our coins this time. Sometimes I stuff my coins off camera if my wallet gets too heavy, so that's why I don't have a lot of change. But this is what we're gonna do in this video. And this is my coin organizer that I picked up from Amazon. If you're interested, check out my Amazon storefront, and you will see it in the once you press the link. So that's it. That's my change for the week. My $200. I got my $200 for all my different categories, and that's it. Short and sweet. So this is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need, so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.